How to fix app not working on Realme Narzo 90x. Let's start the video. First of all, if you want to fix this problem, so restart mobile. Just click and hold side power button and restart device from here. After restart, go back to home screen and you will see your problem is solved. But if it not solved, so check your internet connection is work properly. After check internet connection, you will see your problem is solved. But if it's still not solved, go to app library. Here click on settings app. Now in setting, scroll down and click on system and update. After click on system and update, click on backup and reset phone and click on reset all setting. After click on reset all setting, enter your phone pin and click on reset. After click on reset, go back to home screen. You will see your problem is solved. But if it's still not solved, click on again settings app. Scroll down to and click on system and update. You will see first option is first option is software update. So you will check your software update is latest. If it not latest, update your software latest. After update software latest, go back to home screen. So you will see your problem is solved. So that's how you can fix app not working on Realme Narzo 90x. If you like the video, please subscribe. Thanks for watching.